Think success is out of reach? Think again. In the fast-paced world of home improvement sales, your mindset is your secret weapon. A positive outlook can transform challenges into opportunities and turn potential clients into satisfied customers. Imagine waking up each day, ready to conquer new goals. Your thoughts shape your reality. By fostering positivity, you not only boost your own morale, but also radiate confidence that clients can feel. It's contagious. Studies show that sales reps with a positive mindset close more deals and build stronger relationships. Success isn't just about the numbers. It's about believing in yourself and your ability to make a difference. So start each day with affirmations. Focus on your strengths and visualize your success. Remember, your mindset is the foundation of your success story. Feeling inspired? Smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below sharing how you stay positive. Together, we can build a community of successful, motivated sales pros. Let's make it happen.